So what makes the GT350 so good? For starters, the flat plane crank V8. It's a 5.2-liter power plant that's based on the standard Mustang GT engine but with much more voodoo technology involved. It revs to an astonishing 8,200 RPM and makes all sorts of fantastic noises along the way. The GT350 also gets extra coolers for the oil, differential, and transmission, along with unique intake and exhaust manifolds to accommodate the high revving motor. All of that combines to create a screaming, 526 HP monster built to entertain and dominate on the track, yet it's perfectly docile and drivable in city traffic. Powering the Shelby GT350 is a 5.2-liter V8 that produces 526 HP and 429 pound-feet of torque. A 6-speed manual transmission driving the rear wheels is the only transmission offered. During Edmunds testing, the GT350 accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds. For a bit of context, the Corvette did the same sprint in 4.2 seconds. A Mustang EcoBoost made it to 60 miles per hour in about 6 seconds, while the 5.0-liter Mustang GT did it in 4.7 seconds. Should you be able to resist the GT350's charms and drive in a normal fashion, the EPA estimates the GT350 will achieve 16 mpg.